Now, when it comes to interval notation, we can have fully closed intervals, we can have fully open intervals, or we can have half open intervals as well. It all depends on the end conditions of the solution set. Let's take a look at interval notation when infinity is involved, though. In words, this inequality here says that we want to graph any x that is greater than or equal to 0. So certainly 1 will qualify, 2 is greater than 0, 3 is greater than 0, all these numbers are greater than 0. Not just that, but we want the fractions and decimals as well. Now, just because the number line ends doesn't mean that's the end of our shading. We want our shading to keep going, so we draw an arrow there. Also, we want to include 0 as part of our solution set and shade everything leading up to 0 as well. Infinity always is associated with parentheses, never a bracket, because infinity has no discrete end to it. It's an idea that can keep going forever. You can't actually get to infinity. There's no end point in that. Here's an interval that says any real number between negative infinity and infinity. That's everything on the real line. Another way to say it is all real numbers. We'll put an arrow to the left and an arrow to the right. This is all reals. And another way to say that symbolically would be R. This is the symbol for the real number set.